no big thing, Tammy. All right, cutting
There's
this
no big
meat.
thing, you do it.
I'm cutting this meat up with something we're preparing
Yes.
for dinner tonight.
Do you remember? What day is this? It's a special day. It's a special day. Do you remember?
No, I
The
don't.
5th of May? Cinco de Mayo.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's what all the Mexicans do today. I've got pinto beans
okay.
in the crock pot, which I had put pinto bean, ham hocks and pinto bean seasoning in there.
Okay. All right.
So
Well,
it's going to go and it's going to get all cooked and everything.
I completely forgot about Cinco de Mayo. I didn't even know it was Cinco de Mayo today.
Great video opportunity.
Uh-huh. Well, anyway, folks, I'm cutting the meat. And my wife just told me today's Cinco de Mayo. Okay, well, that's why we're cutting the meat. So today being Cinco de Mayo, I'm cutting the meat over here. And my wife is going to be cooking some meat.
I'm going to make tamales for the first time ever.
All right. And my wife will be cooking tamales for the first time. So as you can see, I've cut these ribs up here. And we are putting it into a pot. And my wife will be cooking this up. Now this will take a little while to cook. But as you can see the meat right here, see that hard little skin? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt it this way.
Meat?
Yeah, once
it's the only pork I've had in the house. I have no other choice.
Okay, well.
If I ate any other pork that was more shreddable, I would use it. But
okay, well.
That's the only kind of pork I have.
This is fine.
Unless you want to take some of your
it takes a little time to cut the meat because of these, the way the meat is.
Well, that is ribs.
Yes.
So
I've got the meat turned this way so I can cut it down.
That part of the meat pork. I don't know if that's usually good for shredding.
Well, once the meat is cooked, you can shred it. Now, this part of the ribs here, there's another part here, so what I need to do is kind of cut it this way.
We're doing hamburger for tacos.
Okay.
And I'm going to put the hard tacos in, the soft tacos in. Really need to get lettuce and tomato.
Alright, so I'm just going to take this and just drop it into the pot.
Oh.
Now, if I had a meat...
Be cut better.
Well, it's because the type of
I don't
knife.
think it's gonna fit
This what you would do normally. You would take a meat cleaver and chop it.
Well, I don't know where my meat cleaver is.
Okay.
It's packed away somewhere.
Alright, so the meat's cut and now we just need to let it cook. So if you will take this, Tammy, and be careful washing all that stuff up. And I gotta get my hands washed.